Most of them are complete, most of them are under progress, and maybe hopefully I think within 1 year, likely all the projects should be completed. Likely. With different project with different time of completions. So in general, I'm telling that it's in within 1 year we'll be able to complete all as per report from my officer as of today report. Because now yes we are already implemented this partner policy on the board. So some areas improve and yes there is some area where yet to improve more. I mean some place where yet to decide who will run, who will see whether the Romashon or whether the municipal area will run by the municipal officer, and beyond municipal it's seen by the Rombasong or something. So that we are under discussion as well now. So I think by the end of this year it should be fully in place.